Hello, my name is Van Smith, Managing Partner here at Smith Strong, and today I'd like to talk to you about the process of estate planning here and what makes it so different from what I hear clients are experiencing elsewhere. The first step is our award-winning workshop where we go through the 3 phases of estate planning: wills and living trusts and asset protection. By attending that workshop, you're entitled to a free consultation here at our office, which we call the Vision Meeting. We call it the Vision Meeting because we want you to envision the right estate plan for your family, and we'll design that estate plan in that consultation, which can be in person or by Zoom. Then we'll send you a design email to make sure we've got everything right. You can reply, hey, everything looks good, or you know what, I slept on it and I decided to change this percentage or that person. You'll leave the consultation knowing when you're coming back to our office for the signing meeting. We'll provide the notary public and 2 witnesses, guide you through the estate planning process, answer any questions, and then lead you through the signing. Most firms stop there. Maybe I see the lawyer 20 years later, maybe not. But we don't think you're served well by that here at Smith Strong. So we have you come back for all of our clients 3 or 4 weeks later to have a funding meeting. What is a funding meeting? Funding is where we make sure you understand the plan and that you leave with a 1-page punch sheet of exactly how to update the titles and beneficiaries so your plan actually works when you become permanently incapacitated or pass away. And then we have all of our clients in a client care program. What that means is for the next year, we stand behind our work. Any call or email is free. Any change you wish to make is free. We want to make sure you're happy with your estate plan, that you don't have any questions, and that you don't want to make any change as you're reading through it. It's this approach that sets us apart and allows us to have so many 5-star reviews. And then we want to serve as your long-term legal advisor for your family. What does that mean? That means we keep a digital copy of your estate plan and assets on file so we can look at your family left behind when you pass away and say, don't worry guys, we know exactly where to look. The peace of mind that brings your surviving spouse or loved ones to know there's someone there to surround them and guide them through that process cannot be measured. It's our joy to serve as our client's long-term legal advisor. We're Smith Strong, and we look forward to helping you.